Namaste children. So we are doing the chapter in mathematics, long and short. We have already discussed many things, just little bit revision in this video I am going to do for all of you. Okay, so measurement we have done, it is of two types, non-standard and another is standard. In non-standard we have used our palm, that is our this hand palm, then hand span, our foot, this cubit. Okay, how to measure? And number 5 is fingers also. We can use our fingers also as measurement. Finger, how we will use? We will be using like this: 4, again 4, again 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, it is coming 12 fingers. Okay, hand span is will be touching any object with our thumb and our little finger, and like this will be going on moving. So this is the hand span. Foot is when we walk 1 foot, 2 foot, that way we will go. Cubit is the part starting from our elbow, from this elbow to this finger. Okay, this much length is the cubit. So these are all non-standard unit of measurement which we do not use in measurement actually. And standard unit of measurement is which we use all over the world, and it is same everywhere, anywhere we go in the world. It is millimeter. We write it in short form as mm, centimeter, cm, meter, m, kilometer, km. So these are some of the standard units of measurement. So we will be this non-standard and standard unit of measurement we have come to know, but this standard unit of measurement we need to measure with something. Yes or no? So with what we will be measuring? We will be using a scale to measure all these things. Where does centimeter, how much centimeter makes 1 meter, and which side of the scale is used as centimeter, and how many divisions makes 1 centimeter, 1 meter, all these things we will be learning in the next. That is how we will be using scale to measure different objects. We have done or not, my dear children? Yes, all of you are answer I am getting. All of you have said yes, we have learned Didi. Very good. So now I will be using a scale and showing you. First of all, I will first show how to use a scale. You have to learn before measuring any object. We have to learn how to use a scale. Okay, this is a scale. Everybody, we know it. It is found in our geometry box. We get it, no? See, I'll tell you one thing. Two side. This is small scale I have taken. Many of you have steel scale, long scale, this way. This is a long scale which we use. Like this same, we get wooden scale also. So all these scales are same, measurement is same, only the length is different. So this is a scale. See here the divisions are there. Okay, here very small divisions are there, and here little big. Here also we are getting divisions, but the space is big. So this is not needed for us in this class. Only we will be using this side which is called centimeter. This is centimeter side. You will get in the scale only it is written cm. And see, it starts from 0, and as it is a small scale, so it is up to 15. If it is a long scale, it will be up to 30. More than longer scale than this, it will be having more numbers like this. It will go up to 100. It will start from 0 and it will go up to 100. Okay, so now let us learn. You will hold the scale in this way. and then you will measure it. Never hold scale like this and make line downward. This is the wrong process. Your line will never be straight, it will be slanting or like that. Okay, so now if I tell you to draw a line of 5 centimeter, what will you do? You will keep the scale like this. Okay, you'll keep a scale, and every time we start from the beginning part of the scale, that is the 0. This is, can you see, this is, before this there is no mark, no division. This is the first division, so we'll put a point here. And what is the number we have to, up to which number we have to go? 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 centimeter. So I have put a point. Now I'll make a line. I'm using a pen here so that it makes more visible the things, but when you will be doing the things, you will have to use a pencil. Drawing with pen is not correct. So this is 5 centimeter. I'll write here 5 centimeter. Now again, if I'm drawing one more, if it is say 10 centimeter, number 2, how I'll do? I'll start from which number? Very good. I start from the beginning part, that is 0, and I'll go up to 10. Where is the 10 in this scale? It is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the last point. I'll stop here, I'll make a point here, then I'll join the 2 points. See here, finish 10, this is 0, finish. So this is 10 centimeter. Now if I go for next 6.7 centimeter, how to do? This is also same, everything is same, only the point is little different. How? We'll go up to 6. After going 6, let us start from 1. Okay, let us 0 6.7. After 6 we have to go 0.7. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, finish. This is, but 0.7 we have to go, so this is 6. Now count the small divisions. 7 you have to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is 7, not this 7. Okay, this 7. It is now how much? 6.7 centimeter. One more I'll do for you. Let us go for 4.3 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we'll see where does this 4 come. So I'll start with this 0, then this is 4. 0 1 2 3 4. Then point how much? 3 only. So 1 2 3. You can see this 3. This I'll stop here. So I'll join here. It is 4.3 centimeter.